Do you ever wonder how a plant-based diet can transform your health and lifestyle? Imagine starting your day with a nutritious breakfast, packed with vegan protein, and ending it with a delicious dinner that aligns perfectly with your vegan fitness goals. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to vegan cooking, recipes from the plant-based kitchen, where we'll explore vegan meal plans, easy vegan recipes, and everything you need to succeed on your vegan diet plan. Let's start with the basics. Why choose a plant-based diet? Research shows there's been a 600% increase in the number of people who have made the switch to a vegan diet, with the growing number of plant-based enthusiasts constantly on the rise. There has never been a better time to eliminate meat and dairy from your diet. It's no surprise why millions, including famous celebrities, have made the switch to a vegan diet. First up, breakfast. How about a chia seed pudding? It's one of those dairy-free recipes that's quick to prepare and perfect for vegan meal prep. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, add a touch of maple syrup, and let it sit overnight. Top it with fresh berries in the morning, and you've got a nutritious start to your day. For lunch, let's prepare a high-protein lentil and quinoa salad. This recipe is packed with vegan protein and is part of our plant-based diet recipes collection. Combine cooked lentils and quinoa with fresh vegetables, drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, and you're good to go. Dinner can be just as exciting with our healthy vegan meals. A stir-fry with tofu, broccoli, and bell peppers is not only delicious but also easy to prepare. And for those focusing on vegan bodybuilding protein, this meal is a great way to refuel after a workout. To keep things organized, creating a vegan grocery list is essential. Stock up on legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These staples will make your vegan meal plan not only balanced but also flavorful. Don't forget the power of smoothies. They're perfect for vegan meal prep and can be customized with ingredients like spinach, berries, and vegan protein powder to suit your nutritional needs. Ready to transform your diet and embrace a healthier lifestyle? Dive into 200 new delicious vegan recipes, a 30-day meal plan, and discover a world of mouth-watering, nutritious dishes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, embrace the benefits of a whole plant-based diet and enjoy the journey of discovering high-protein vegan recipes that keep you energized and healthy.